October 7th, 2022. This one here I got a call from a new customer. And they want me to go by there and do his burner service for him. Lives in the Westport area, and it's really known for like low-hanging trees. A lot of these houses, they got low-hanging trees. It's always an issue in this town. So I always usually ask the guy if I can get in over there, or you know, they go right under these low-hanging trees with their cars and pickups. But when my truck's high, so I get a little leery about working in the town because a lot of these lanes, you know, they got low-hanging trees, low branches and shit. People are too lazy to go there and keep them trimmed. They want me to go work at their house. Usually, and I always tell them up front, I should ask about low-hanging trees. It's always an issue. So we'll see when we get there if I can get in or not. Supposedly, he went and cut them down. Oh, we'll see. I'm not pushing my way through no branches for a service call. We'll see when we get there. I'm gonna check oil flow here. He said he had it done last year, so filter might still be good. I did check the tank, it seemed to be okay.
I'm just gonna leave you to it.
Okay.
I'll be upstairs or
Alright.
the house.
We'll just turn it up for now so it runs. Looks like there's a big gap there. Looks a little crusty. Let's see what our oil flow here is. We'll tell if the filters are dirty. I can tell by the oil flow coming out of here if there's issues. We'll see. See if we're getting a good oil flow here, so we know our filters are still fine. I don't change things unless I have to. That's me. Let's see what we got for oil flow here. That's fine. That's good. We're getting a nice oil flow, so our filters are fine. He says he does it every year, so he services it every year, he says. Seems a little open quite a bit there, that air being. Maybe it was choked up at one time, I don't know. Maybe. Oh, he's got the restrictor plate in there, that's why. See the restrictor plate? That's why he's got all that air in it. I'm not a big fan of them restrictor plates. You're only supposed to run them if you got a .75 or smaller nozzle. You could run that restrictor plate. This looks like a big boiler. I'd rather not run the plate. Nice and clean. That's what we want to see. Make sure this is tight. It's under pressure. It's under a lot of pressure. I'm going to make sure it's tight. These electrodes, I'm going to bend them in a little bit. Reset. Lost my long screwdriver somewhere. I'll reset these a little bit. I like to take that restrictor plate out of there and reset the ear band, to be honest with you. Let's see how it runs with the restrictor plate, I guess. It's already in there, so you could run it with a 75 nozzle. It's usually ran when you got a small nozzle in there. They run that restrictor plate. See how it fires up. Let's see what our draft's like here. Draft over the fire. Draft over the fire. If you didn't have draft, you'd be getting roll out here big time. That's fine. Got it running kind of lean there. Choked up in the past. I like running them lean myself. Got this kind of high here. I'll put that at like 140 because he's not using a tankless. 140. Bring this down to 180. That's better. Electric water heater here. Yeehaw. So clean and reset electrodes. Good oil flow, good draft over fire. You can check the flow coming out of the pump, and you can tell if the filters are dirty by the flow. New nozzle. It does have a restrictor plate in it. That's why it's opened up quite a lot there on the air band. But we are running lean here, so the draft, we got draft over the fire, but not crazy draft. It looks new. I reset the limit, 140 on the low and 180 on the high, because he has a electric water heater here. You can see what I mean by low-hanging trees. I mean, it wasn't too bad. I could get by in here, but go down these lanes like this. You got a big truck. I don't want to be pushing my way through branches. Scratch the paint all up. See over here, this one here is kind of okay, you get by, but I mean, shit can get overwhelming here very shortly.